How to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. So let's just get started with the video and see how to do that. So for that, you can go ahead and close up your Google Maps for now and head over to the main settings of your device. After that, you can use up the search bar in order to search for Android Auto. Just go ahead and type in that Android Auto and you will be finding this built-in feature. So you can go to this Android Auto option again and it will lead you to this page. So first thing is make sure your car is compatible with the Android Auto and also make sure your phone meets the minimum requirements. If you don't have this Auto app installed, you can just go ahead and download it as well. And just go and put your car in the park and you need to turn on your car's infotainment system. Now from your phone, you can go to the Bluetooth settings. You can turn on this Bluetooth option right here. And on your steering wheel of your car, press and hold the voice command button to pair a new phone. Now you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to pair your phone with the car, accept the terms and conditions. You can also use this option called connected vehicle in order to, use a USB port instead. So for now, this is the method you can apply up in order to connect your Google Maps to your car's Bluetooth. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video and we will see you on the next one.